This is the PNW. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. But here we are. We loaded up the Intex Excursions for a camping trip. We know we're going to camp. We just have to get there. It's a long drive, but there's a few sites for us to choose from. So we're going to make sure we get the right one. But I'll check back in when we're on calmer waters. For now, I got to get back to driving. I'll see you soon. Checking back in with you. We're at the calmer part of the lake. This is where we're going to camp, but we have to find a spot. So we're going to cruise down a little further to see if there's any better places. We found a gray one behind us, but down here the water is getting kind of bad, pretty stagnant. But great view though. Look at all these green trees right here. Winter's coming up and it's going to be all cold and desolate soon, so enjoy it while we can. Yeah, it looks like we're turning around, so I gotta get back to driving. I'll show you the site once we get there. Alright, I haven't got much video of the campsite, so that's what I'm going to do here. I want to give you a tour. So this is everything we got in the Intex Excursion, everything you see in this video. There's a tree tent, my favorite. It's unique and very comfortable. And of course a Costco Coleman special right here. The easiest tent to put up and take down. And it's something like $40, I think. But nothing compares to this. It's extremely difficult to set up, but well worth it. There's our little cove, and there's a cot with a cover on it. Kind of nice. I'm sure it's comfortable. Here's a view we have. You can't really see it, but there's some mountains way back there. Nice view of the lake. Yeah, really beautiful site we got. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. heading back. It's pretty windy. We didn't know it was going to be this choppy, but we're going to roll through in a top speed just so we can make sure we don't waste too much time out here. But check out the size of these. These are really rocking us around, but they're no problem for the Intex Excursion. Like I've said in my other videos, one big advantage not putting hardwood floor in this is these just roll right under the raft. So it's not a big problem. Even with all this weight, no problem at all. It just rolls right underneath it because the boat's very pliable. So that is one nice thing to not having a hardwood floor. Alright, I gotta get back to driving. Well, that's going to wrap up this trip. Luckily, we have the wind at our back, so we're just cruising back slowly. Motors are basically just on so we can steer. Feels pretty nice, so it's warm out here. I'm getting sunburned. Nice little push from behind us. Well, that wraps up this video. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.